Hi beauties, and welcome back to another Speed Clean with Me video. My name is Randy and today we're going to be cleaning the entire house for the new year. If you'd like to clean along with me, you can go ahead and pop me up on your TV, on your phone or iPad, and maybe make yourself a cozy, comforting drink while you clean, like coffee, tea, matcha, whatever you usually drink. And before you get started, remind yourself that it is a fresh new year, and as you're cleaning, if you come across anything that you never use or you've been meaning to get rid of for a while, just go ahead and bite the bullet. This is a fresh new page, and anything that you're not using is honestly probably holding you back. I'll make sure to check in as I'm doing different parts of the house throughout this video to make sure that everyone is on track. But until my next check-in, I hope all of you have a peaceful cleaning experience with me. I am popping in for a quick check-in. We are on the last bathroom. I always start with the bathroom sinks and toilets, so this will be the last one of this part of the cleaning journey. Next, I'm moving on to our dining area / our living room area. It's an open floor plan, so they're kind of close to each other, but I'm basically just wiping down the tables and the surfaces. Now I'm moving upstairs to get all of the tables that we have up there, along with my office area and all of the things that need to be dusted and wiped down. Now I went back downstairs to our kitchen to clean off our stove. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down. It didn't really need a deep cleaning right now, so I'm just wiping down everything. And then of course, the never-ending chore of doing dishes. This is something we have to do every day. And of course, in our house, we don't have a dishwasher, so we are really always doing dishes. Next, I'm starting with vacuuming the stairs, and then I'm gonna hit the floors and the vents so that tomorrow I can mop. And for the final part of day 1 of cleaning, I'm going to end the night with some laundry. I feel like it's a really good wind down chore. This is actually a 2-day cleaning vlog. The first thing I'm doing on day 2 of cleaning is cleaning my makeup brushes. You really should do this once a week, but whenever I clean the house, I'm always cleaning my makeup brushes. I used to just leave my makeup brushes in the bathroom overnight to dry, but then I realized if you lay them in the sun, they dry so much faster and they just feel cleaner. Now we're moving on to mopping the house. I realized that my steam cleaner actually was stripping the stain off of my stairs, so I started using the Swiffer instead. But for the rest of my floors, I do use my steam vacuum mop. It's by Shark. It's like a 3-in-1, and it's one of my favorite cleaning tools. And finally, whenever there's a new season, I really like to wash my washable living room rug. However, we did put this treadmill on here temporarily and it was on top of the rug, so I had to get my fiance to get it for me. So you won't be seeing me wash this in this vlog, but thank you guys so much for joining me in speed cleaning for the new year. And I hope that this helped motivate you and get you through cleaning your whole house. And no worries, I know this video is only 13 minutes long and you can't clean your whole house in 13 minutes. So if you'd still like to clean with me, go ahead and check out my Clean With Me playlist. I have plenty of other videos like this. And don't forget to find me on Instagram and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next video. Bye.